How to verify your age on Twitter. Hey everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to verify your age on Twitter, or X, so you can access any age-restricted content without issues. Alright, let's get started. First, open the X Twitter app on your phone. Log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Now scroll down and select Settings and Support, then choose Settings and Privacy. From here, go to Security and Account Access, then tap on Security. You'll see an option called ID Verification. This is where you can upload an approved ID to confirm your age. When you tap it, you'll notice it says you need to upgrade to Premium before verifying. So, go ahead and tap Upgrade to Premium and subscribe to any premium plan that works for you. This will allow you to go and verify your account and age. After upgrading, head back to ID verification, upload your ID, and submit it. Once approved, your age will be verified, and you'll be able to view any age-restricted content on X. And that's it. Super simple. If this helped you out, hit that like button and check out my other tutorials for more tips.